So lately, there's been a lot of talk that Windows 11 24H2 is destroying SSDs. Now, don't panic. It's not like your drive is physically burning out. But yes, the bug is real. What happens is under heavy file transfers, say you're copying 50 gigs or more, the SSD can suddenly lock up, disappear from Windows, and sometimes corrupt whatever you were writing. A restart usually brings it back, but honestly, you don't want this happening on your main system. Now, let's clear up which SSDs are actually affected. From all the reports, the issue mainly hits drives with Phison controllers. Examples people have tested and confirmed include the Corsair Force MP600, Kioxia Xperia Plus G4, and some SanDisk Extreme models. On top of that, earlier in the 24H2 rollout, certain Western Digital 2TB drives like the WD Black SN770, WD Blue SN580, and the SanDisk Extreme M.2 were crashing until WD patched them with a firmware update. So yeah, it's not one brand, it depends more on the controller inside the SSD. Now the big question, is there a quick fix through registry or group policy? Well, not for everyone. The only real trick that worked was for Western Digital SSDs with HMB host memory buffer. If you cap the HMB to 64 megabytes, the random BSODs just stop. And to make that super easy for you, I've added a ready-to-use registry file down in the description. Just download it, right-click, hit merge, and that's it. But remember, this is only useful if you're running one of those WD or SanDisk models. If you're on Crucial, ADATA, Samsung, or others, this tweak won't do anything. For the rest, the real solution is updating your SSD firmware. That's exactly what I did for my own drives. With Crucial, I used their storage executive software, and with ADATA, I used the NVMe Toolbox. These tools check your drive, and if there's new firmware available, they apply it safely. I've recorded my own updates so you can see the process in action. One small tip here, sometimes these SSD utilities don't work perfectly in every country. My Crucial app was constantly timing out when searching for updates. The fix was simple. I switched my DNS to Cloudflare, and suddenly it detected the firmware and installed it without any issue. So if your update tool feels stuck, try Cloudflare DNS or even a VPN. It can make the difference. And that's pretty much the full story. Windows 11 24H2 did bring an SSD headache, but you're not helpless. WD drives can be patched with the registry file, and for everyone else, the firmware update from your manufacturer's toolbox is the real fix. Once you do that, you're safe. That's it for today's fix. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and drop a comment if your SSD brand has already pushed an update. I'd love to know which ones are rolling out patches first.